I must tell you the truth. I feel like I am losing my husband slowly. Baby.
Yes, love.
I don't know if you have time for me. I just want to discuss something with you.
I do, my dear.
All right,
no, I'm busy.
So please, can you sit down?
Okay. Oh goodness, so what is it I want to discuss? That you couldn't wait for me to finish taking care of my clothes.
Yeah, we can do that at the same time anyway. So it's something that has been bothering me. It's all about this your baby mama and Junior that just surfaced not long ago. So at the initial time, I thought it was a joke. However, the situation is no longer a joke. It's not funny. It is reality. You know. So, my problem here is, before this situation surfaced, we were so happy. In fact, since we got married, I have been extremely happy on my side, and I'll be seeing the happiness as well on your face. But unfortunately, since these 2 months, or most especially since the day the DNA test proved positive about Junior, I feel less love. I don't feel loved anymore by you. I feel like your attention is being divided, and that is not making me happy. Now, most especially since these few days that renting of apartments issue just came up again, you have been making me feel like as if we that are here in the country, living with you here, are not that important. You and I know that we don't have that amount of money right now. You know it deep down your heart, because we have joint accounts. Everything we are doing, all our expenses, you know about it. The last achievement we just got is not even up to 1 month. So for it to seem like to the public and to you or to any other person that I am greedy, it is not fair on my own side. But most especially where I am bothered, what that concerns me the most is the love that we share. That many people are even saying it from a distance, that you are not stable anymore, and secondly, they don't see you staying with me for life. So I just really want to know where I am standing. I slept with pain. I slept with, having a lot of things on my head. So please, tell me your mind. Where am I standing?
Baby, they make me laugh. I deal with you. You yourself know say I deal with you. I don't just understand this kind of... Baby, deep down in my heart, I deal with you. I'm not fit push you out. I'm not fit choose over you. You know say I deal with you, baby.
Is that all you have to say?
Baby, I'm with you.
I deal with you, I deal with you. This is called for doubt. This is even worse than ever. You deal with me. I don't say you deal with me, you are with me. That is not the response I'm expecting from you. I mean, right now, I am in a state of confusion. Right now, I am wondering what is awaiting me in the nearest future. Where am I actually standing?
Baby,
where are you carrying me in
no
your heart? Saying
baby,
that you are...
Baby, you know say I deal with you. There's no cause
deal
for
with
alarm.
you. You deal with me, yes, I know.
You know my wife. You know my wife, I deal with you, baby. Just forget about what people they talk. I deal with you. Is that okay?
It's not enough. It's not okay. Guys, I've decided to discuss this with my husband in the open, because this is the best I can give. Now, it's early in the morning. As you can see, I'm still having my pajama on. I felt like to get the real answer from my husband should be in a quiet moment. Everything shouldn't be always quarreling and fighting. This is the best way I handle conflict. Now, at this junction, I am really in a state of confusion, in the sense that I feel like my husband is having a divided attention. Everybody is saying it. All right. This is how it is happening in a lot of homes. This is the reason why so many marriages are suffering. Why? Because, okay, in this our own situation right now, my husband is battling with a child of 12 years. 12 years ago, baby mama, and 12 years old child. All right? But in our various homes, we have such situation. It must not be baby mama and a son just discovered, or child, however, just discovered. But because our husbands, your husband, do carry side chick. Once he has got entangled with side chick, his attention will be automatically divided. This is where we women, with our instincts, feels like our husband is no longer that deep in love with us. That his attention is divided. Because most of the men, either they have side chick, or they have a second wife the other side, or they are flirting with unknown person. This is one of the reasons our marriage is in trouble. We started feeling somehow. People started telling us different kind of things. Before your husband starts carrying side chick, that means he doesn't love you enough. Before your husband starts doing this, that means he doesn't love you enough. Most of the time in our marriage as well, men are at fault. Most especially when they are coming closer to side chick or any other woman, or getting some kind of funny advice from people. Then you see his attention starts, changing. He starts behaving funny. And then the woman starts sensing this, smelling this, because we women, we smell it. Look at the response my husband just gave me. The reply my husband just gave me. It's not sufficient. It is not enough. Even right now, I'm more confused than ever. I am more confused than ever. Which one be say, I deal with you, baby. I deal with you, baby. If my husband is not supposed to be, he's not having feelings for Ugogo, why would he say, I deal with you, baby? This is not how my husband used to respond to me before. Guys, I must tell you the truth. Since I met my husband, we got married and everything. We have been like 5 and 6. We have loved each other. We have danced. We have dined. We have wine. We have handled a lot of other situations. But like right now, he's making me believe that, something is coming in between our strong bond, which is not making me happy.
You said, I'm making you believe that I no longer love you anymore. I
didn't say you no longer love me, but I feel like you don't love me enough.
Because what you believe,
your attention is divided.
What you believe is your truth. Because the fact is not only the men being the problem. The issue I'm seeing here is you are just being worried for nothing. I say I deal with you. I deal with you. And I deal with you. There is no big deal about all this.
No problem, guys. I'm not talking much this early morning.
I say you deal with me. I deal with you, baby.
You say you deal with me. This is not how my husband used to talk to me before. You deal with me. You just deal with me. These things happening everywhere in our marriage. But let's handle it with care. I'm not going to be pissed. I'm not going to overreact. I'm going to leave him. Let me see. Maybe next time I will call him closer again to ask him another question. Since he's a man of few words, let me start gathering it together to find out exactly what he has in his heart. Because I don't have a key to his heart. The only thing I can do is to be calm, gentle, patient, tolerant, and so many others. If it takes me to still pay more of sacrifice to make sure I keep my husband with me, I will surely do, guys. I will surely do. I have no choice. This is a do or die affair. But reason it, like I said it earlier before, most of our marriages are having stress and pain. Why? Because our husband started having divided attention. Once your husband starts behaving funny, either he is seeing another woman, or somebody is discouraging him somewhere, or definitely his love for you has started decreasing or reducing. So watch out for the next video, which I am going to take my time to still interrogate my husband. Because guys, I must tell you the truth. I feel like I am losing my husband slowly. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please kindly share, because I believe in this small discussion I had with my husband, there is a message in it. There is something someone else will pick. Like I said, I'm going to handle my husband with patience, with tolerance, with care, with a lot of kindness. Whatever it takes me to make sure I know what is in his mind or on his mind, then I will do it. Let us, the married women, to continue being patient and stop listening to what people are saying outside. That is their opinion. What you believe is the truth. Thank you all so much.